There are several reasons why a disconnect switch is required near a motor control center instead of a circuit breaker, even if cost allows. Firstly, safety. A disconnect switch provides a visible and positive means of isolating the motor control center from the power source, allowing for safe maintenance and repairs. When the disconnect switch is open, it physically disconnects the incoming power to the motor control center, eliminating any potential for accidental contact or energization. Circuit breakers, while providing overcurrent protection, do not offer the same level of physical isolation as a disconnect switch. Secondly, maintenance and troubleshooting. Disconnect switches make it easier to perform maintenance and troubleshooting on the motor control center without having to open the main circuit breaker. By isolating the motor control center using the disconnect switch, technicians can safely access and work on the motor control center while the rest of the electrical system remains operational. Circuit breakers, once stripped, require resetting to restore power, which can disrupt other loads connected to the same circuit. Thirdly, code compliance. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, require disconnect switches for motor control centers. This requirement is based on safety concerns and ensures proper isolation of the motor control center for maintenance and repair purposes. Fourthly, redundancy. While circuit breakers provide overcurrent protection, they can still fail to trip in certain situations. A disconnect switch serves as a backup line of defense, providing a physical means of isolation in case the circuit breaker fails to operate properly. By having both the circuit breaker and a disconnect switch, the system has enhanced protection and reliability. Fifthly, cost. While circuit breakers can provide additional protection, they are typically more expensive than disconnect switches. For cost-sensitive applications, disconnect switches offer an economical solution for isolating motor control centers. It is important to note that the requirement for a disconnect switch near a motor control center is based on safety and code compliance. While circuit breakers offer overcurrent protection, they do not provide the same level of physical isolation and maintenance convenience as disconnect switches.